Abena.
Nana.
Na mensa so video bi so. Na me frɛ Richard Ofori sɛ nka ɔnhwɛ saa video ni bi.
Richard Ofori. Ejansa ma.
Ghana for goalkeeper no. Ghana for goalkeeper.
Mfe no Ojai.
If no Ojai o. So watch ball Ejane show.
Ghana for munyo.
Entiro. Abena, me a video am say video we say Richard Ofori to me hwe bi. People should join us on Facebook.
But someone join here.
Goalkeeper bi a hye goal bi a. Goalkeeper bi a hye. Nam say na sa skills we na hodi we no. Richard Ofori ni bia na.
Richard Ofori dey na sign o.
E sign say. E ho na di sign no.
Hwe o say that time no do na ye. Kucha moment.
Enti kucha moment say den.
Na hu ne wonye.
Ene ja boy there.
Akwai sesebe wo hu aboa wo fie na wo pa de kum na okofa chele. Emhihie ne.
Emhihie bai.
No mo sheba.
Meba. Te say example ya mai. Ehu aboa owo meba. Na wo hu aboa owo na awo no afa wa wo entrance na opi akọ. Na wo wakofa chale de abo no wan say be right inside view.
So ka de what o de bon pre kwan ko be wu ba. Unya de emu odua but emhihie na makofa chale.
Da bi okọ nti jana ma nko.
Which are for few or more. They trim them and trim them, make me defend no, but now come why so open the 1 penny. Why? Mumra Facebook will join in. My casa was all only room over my bed.
Go keep a beer as a go pa. Join us on Facebook. What said? That minute oh. No fit to hot tone. On wash. Wonderful goal to save his team. To save his team.
Oh, Mama Kai, goalkeeper beer. There be no a footballer na. Almost a son. I'm another bobo no you keep at. I don't know better keeper goal post na. The coach bufu dirty free bed panas. No one cast on my bono. One cast on my bo.
Wait.
Aye.
The team no Lucy. And they told to me, but also sometimes you goalkeepers need to be on could drop. So who say the team will lose? So I remember a keeper like Peter Schmeichel. Those time now Ochima say Manchester United. Only say so who say I didn't hear them pa or not to be him. Those time now Valencia. Omo goalkeeper bi so sa on so team no say enema kwa hu hianyima on goalkeeper no be him.
Sasta no goalkeeper dey share go friend say o footballer lava pa wo so hu. Sasta no dey share go no. E wo din e friend no.
E din be ya.
Me busa question say busa.
Also we a football lover.
Who nye lover?
Who also see now support to the bay.
Me a Barca fan.
Enti the bay.
Unim kasa abna minim na menkyere wo.
Me say e yankran na ka no beta nkran no ntumi nka.
Sa word na cry forward. Is it na yankran word?
The way.
Unim abna sa abna wo de minim.
Ka minim kan here.
Minka. Tell us yes o de ahomaso na kan. Wo sa minka. Also kasa abna.
Dangbeshi.
Enya damgbeshi.
Ene
Caesar. Caesar.
Where is Caesar?
Na Caesar na dey hin.
Caesar you go on your sideways.
Na wo kon hin.
We no ordinary call no boy.
Ne bro for ye dey. Ne bro for ni Caesar.
Ne bro for ni Caesar.
We Caesar nua. Caesar look alike.
Caesar.
Overhead kick. Caesar look alike. Me dey overhead kick. You so scream again. You so scream.
When is Caesar kick?
Caesar look alike. What you do?
So you see, serious goalkeeper. I just say, join us on Facebook. Join us.
What you do? No, we also was sapa man.
Yeah, because we're rescue team no. Until say Richard Ofori, I don't know jinx them sir. I just say.
Abena. Obia surprise pa nana.
Yes, me am kwenim. Me was story ba could be ewa ha. Me fear no man na me call Honorable Hawa Koomson. Ebe kan sembi ewa ha.
Canada dine boy den chen Ghana dine.
But Abena.
Nana. Into Ghana na ha there kwa no 2 minutes na there because uko Canada oba da bontene.
Abena.
Nana Kwame. One ne nya adwene o.
Dabi o. Uko Canada omudi Canadian dollars me wa.
Ene didi wa. Won't ya say
Abena, Uko Canada, with the Canadian dollars, me boy. I don't think say Canada. Omo penny for no. Ashe Hine say amount for dying rent in a foreign currency. Oh, Canada, no. Omo penny for no say into Uko Canada now rented there. Canadian dollars na would rent it no. But Onua Hawa Koomson, are you aware that amount for the then rented dollars in Ghana? Are you aware?
Canada.
Are you aware? On say sometimes we expect in penny for to be able to, say certain things that ordinary Ghanaian and ordinary people no akuma atone yem, but you don't sit on it and provoke us. Because ekrom hanum a dime boye din nan amount for the dime rent $2. Also ekrom hanum yesika yedi enya dollars. See this. And when you compare us to Canada no omo Canadian dollars no eno no de rent dime. Ekrom hanso ye the dollars na rent dime.
Ebinum.
And what are you saying?
Ebinum $2. Apartment to cry.
No, ebinum said they rent in dollars.
It's true.
They rent in dollars. Recently, I have a friend. I'll say, or establish some firm be into or here a dime of chrome. I'll wait to me. I establish it. I should help him. Meanwhile, non per dime. You could hear Danny Biwo. Joy from area home. A nice building because or say the computers and there and as I think when I'm saw he needed a bigger place. Do you know how much the man is charging? $25,000 a month.
Hey,
yes,
just a month.
Yes, $25,000 a month. And you see, you sit in this country.
If you think rent is expensive in Ghana, go to Canada and see.
So you see, so we sit in this country. People rent houses in dollars. Meanwhile, I see this in radio. And in Perifona, I say, mo put a stop to it. You are not putting a stop to it. Then you sit in radio and tell us that if you think rent is expensive for Ghana, go to Canada. No, Charlie.
In hours and
yes, in hours.
When you say in hours,
when you work,
30 minutes, 1 hour,
yes. Yes, who a month in Pono. The two are boss ones.
Into see then all yes, our comparison way.
Maybe I heard Nana Brefo now already said my many day
apology.
I rejoin the beer by now. Asama na about with trim now kind and the yesum it's gone.
Money patch.
Oh, by patch the rejoin the bow and full young because listen, our leaders should be responsible enough. They should be responsible enough. Because some of us, you're witness to we are people renting in dollars. They rent in dollars in Ghana. They rent in dollars in Ghana. So you don't sit and talk and no, it is wrong. It is so wrong.
Ojo said I bought them Ghana.
This is so wrong.
Now take it in the day to kind.
Meanwhile, you guys have the money. More scano, and you pay expensive rent because the money is there. Yentu krom hanam no being passed now over dollars show. You krom hanam then you.
If you think rent in Ghana is expensive, hey, go to Canada and see.
It's so bad, eh? This one, rejoin the apology be and it still no make sense. It still will not make sense. Rejoin the apology and na be oh na yes na me patch na me person can say cause I'm no waka.
What's not about can say?
Waka.
And I heard the one.
No, in first and foremost, no any concern cause as I'm no eba. Don't even say it.
The banana said that nipa ya kasa ye mu no. I thought that onye ready so be kan se mi na afi wono aba. E wo tirim baten ka wo de doje ba na afra to.
Abena, obia o kasa on. U CV asem no wadwene mu ansa waka nipa bia you save it. o CV na hu ne eye so we de eye metumi aka na waka onim say out of abundance of the heart the mouth speaketh. This is coming from the Bible. And some ebusu wa kuma no mu na ano ne ka eya ade a otaka enti na oti radio so na ye ne say
normal
eya ade ewo no mu eya ade a otaka ebia nkomodiem no otaka
orenta so ana nana Kwame nana Kwame orenta so
yeah super
yeah because it was get the 2%.
2% rent so they've increased it again every year. They increase rent. Rent control, they are not doing anything about it. When you go to rent control, because just say you need law bia between the eyes and maybe, and you are an MP. It is your duty to make sure that certain
and I'm 40 one no question.
Charlie.
No question.
Because people amount for it's okay. As I don't cry here. Because I don't see why as a leader you open your mouth and say this. No, it is wrong. Youth, people work and use all their normal savings to pay rent. Yes.
Yeah,
we work for landlords and landladies in this country. Yes. We work to pay rent in this country. We work to pay rent.
Because we do rent and so.
Then you come and tell us this.
And the next story, because topic is about her. I am too personal. Very personal, very sensitive.
Sometimes you don't expect some of our leaders to be spewing this. Oh no, it is so wrong. It is so. Abra yankwenim me hu say ayi Robert Asane man dey bi amehwe no Robert Asane no Robert said I say tenant press release okay
5.1
okay National Tenant Union of Ghana
95.1
press release for immediate release. Okay, 22nd February. Enra no mu release here. Okay, wonderful. Also, render an apology to Ghanaians, Honorable Mavis Hawa Koomson. That is the heading of the press release. All that they are trying to say is that the woman should render an apology to Ghanaians.
This is a distasteful statement and not deserving of a person of her caliber.
Wonderful.
Asemna nyono.
Yes, asemna nyono.
Nyono enu so obia ni dibrete sana.
Yes, enu so kan.
Also do won share average Ghanaian issue.
And what it means is that among ordinary person na otua rent na ni wini so no otua rent man na that same person who voted for you no onwe ne ho. You took advantage of them.
Because utua no person kire say utua rent 2000 kra nya hwe o.
Normal.
Utua obi tua rent 150 cedis kra.
Na sa nipa no
onye bintua
sa nipa ni pay kra ya he.
150 Ghana cedis obi tua rent 150 Ghana cedis a month. The rent are so same like I say wanye bia nkwa obeda abontere. 150 obi enu say bia 150 years kano.
Yes kano.
That is the amount somebody pays for a month in a room in Ghana, but Yami me mo obeda abontere.
Sir, press release in the crowd da ba no kra no. I feel say ehun kra nya. Ehun nya Charlie. Because you see, asem no obekan na nikwan so kind in the first place. Because people are struggling to pay their rent each and every year.
And we are in a crucial moment. Obia nya bre obia so ayehye.
Ekroma ayehye.
It is all yeah. Economy nkoye. Tia on my phone na.
Ma mo beto abama no so na today ma mo so dey boy. Ma mo be sala beto abama no. Mama sem. Yankwenim abra
5.1.
Yangurem. Me na story akwabi pese ojoge. Na joge hoyi enye by force. Joge no enye by force.
Pese ojoge se obeso tintin na pom.
Obeso tintin na pom. Na wonu say okọ most of these are football pitches na say team ni ye training. they have something we call cone.
In a DCC.
This is your the cone is so come. Until you require another can't no acquire. I want to be.
So, Miss Akoka.
I was there, also, Ujania, now Akopim, no Abba, or Jania, and in terms of so you be.
So, and your more. Who baby a friend so over. One join your Facebook to see
when you're near Facebook on my video. I brought any skills, money I can offer. Training on how you know.
What Brahman?
When you grow
When you want to say, you
oh, giddy. On the second card, Diana, or Quana, on answer to 2 years.
I've been pointed to. One and a year one from a bit of piano.
I also said, I know, yeah, look for baby a smooth.
At what level?
Aha, Nina Falevoa, old magician year, BBNC.
Never possible, and yes, son, yes,
yeah, but on no meaning say, or who say,
TV.
I'm for your anything. And also, on the Sakotobi, or Kotoko even was it.
On never know.
That's on Facebook, and the video that on Facebook.
We'll see in our pie.
Open Dimrica, or exercise. Oh, one is a dinner panel.
What saying a quarter when it's true in our wow? Mumra Facebook number here says, yeah, Chairman, I thought, Chairman, so be do for power by Shana Casano.
Wait, Olivia, I shall be showing a man.
When you have a probable. When the company see one, when the company see one, with them pop. That's Yahweh.
I don't know, I don't know. Abena me see, but my last story na me see. And last story we know it has a connection with and your topic, you know. And a topic in your day.
And a topic, you know.
Your topic in your head here. Na me nchiro video bi. Na me ma ewiase hu say odo we enye by force.
And a topic in here, are you attracted to someone you don't love?
Wonderful.
Are you attracted to someone you don't love? Obi was na ho wakono.
Obi tie me e wo radio sisi a ebia oni Facebook and only access to Facebook. Mama describe ya dey be ma. Couples newly fresh couple omayom wedi yom to come on kofi. Omutu no bi abuefu. Obi July. There's a third party on work car no all try saying at least omu best report smile to even a camera po. Obi July. Then the question is that na be man mpe oba no and na oba no mpe be man no. And a day now omu hu yinti they decide to get married. Because our year then come warrior we nke ye ni jisa na ne ba ni say na mo warrior we na mo kofie na obi abuefu obi adwala obi emuna. Join us on Facebook.
Are you attracted to someone you don't love? No, but no you akono so ni be enema bi.
He abena he get na kanani mesi kaso
brana panta hono de ka get na get ni plebe pra no e na so ntem hono o de ka get na ese na so ho wai
get na kanani mesi na do again it on as a kasra aka no
eni jenim na bread obe hu na mane papa
obe frustrate guy no ofie kwa
na se we ne die ntia je ne be mana yesi na bia sebe na oba ne hia sky e bibi na nyi se ba ye na wo so ware na se
sen
oba na busuafo de be ma ne ka na mo de na tika ebu aya aware tika
why na do aga
oba na busuafo de be ma na busuafo ka omunya bi ma na mo se ne fa baba na ma ye ba be ma wa na kan so so ha o ma me no papa e be jeri wo mo na se mama
e did say so be say abina serious o look at urban mannerism ni posture
de wonim say na Kwame say nipa bebre nim sa de no pa se won hyeda enno obi na ebibi ntane nipa ko ni ko hyiamu a nhyiamu na dene we mpo mo te ho keke mpo do ne ne imagine so mo ko de na sesebe emra so mo be hyiamu a hwede e be ye pa ma oba no o so mi ya woni ka pantan si so
no serious
Onua 95.1 FM 95.1 FM yeah,